Is it realistic to expect to receive $1,300 by December from an investment of $500 in Shiba Inu made at the beginning of the year? Every single cryptocurrency group, Twitter thread, and YouTube comment area is currently buzzing with that question. Everyone is talking. Speculative returns on investment ROI, outrageous price targets, and the tales of regular people who dream of turning a few $100s into a fortune. Is it hype though? If you're looking to quadruple your money in a matter of months, is there any chance that Shiba Inu could do it? What follows is an analysis of the reasoning behind these forecasts, the evidence presented, and the likelihood that this meme coin may pull off one of the most surprising crypto developments of the year. The numbers are the starting point. It would take a price increase of around 160% for Shiba Inu to go from $500 to $1,300 by the end of the year. While this isn't exactly a walk in the park, it's certainly not unprecedented in the realm of crypto meme coins. Indeed, Shiba Inu has previously staged gatherings of considerably greater magnitude. The renowned Shiba Inu cryptocurrency exploded in value in a matter of weeks in 2021, creating a slew of new billionaires and catapulting the brand to the forefront of the cryptocurrency industry worldwide. The market has grown, the rivalry has heated up, and the community has accumulated a wealth of expertise, yet the appetite for innovation remains unquenchable. Consequently, why are we seeing such outrageous ROI projections? The rate of burn is the primary consideration. The burn mechanism on Shiba Inu has been going full steam ahead for the last month. In only 1 week, almost 330 million tokens were burnt, and the community is demanding even more drastic measures. Sending tokens to a dead wallet reduces their supply in circulation. Scarcity is a powerful motivator for price action, and it is created when demand remains stable or even increases. While analysts agree that burns do not ensure a rally, they do pave the way for huge price increases when sentiment in the market turns positive. Up next, we have whale activity. According to on-chain statistics, major holders have been secretly buying Shiba Inu. It is a well-known indicator that whales are preparing for a long-term play when wallets containing billions of tokens transfer large sums to cold storage. These periods of accumulation have often occurred just before significant price spikes. Whales exude confidence when they buy and hold, and that confidence has the power to spread, attracting individual investors who are looking to benefit from future growth. However, burns and whales aren't the only topics. The environment of Shiba Inu is rapidly growing. Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium, which is part of the project, has had a spike in use. Shiba Swap and K9 Finance are two DeFi protocols that are experiencing double-digit increase in users and traffic, and the total value locked is back above $4 million. New features, like as automated burns, cross-chain swaps, and a community-driven DAO model, have been hinted at by the development team. Shiba Inu goes beyond being a meme coin with each upgrade, providing holders with more reasons to stay invested and making the ecosystem more useful. The larger cryptocurrency industry is obviously very important. Altcoins are waking up after a long winter, and Bitcoin is flirting with new all-time highs. Whenever Bitcoin experiences a price surge, meme coins such as Shiba Inu tend to follow suit and experience even more significant percentage rises. Nothing complicated here. Hungry traders seek out new, potentially lucrative opportunities when money leaves the majors. Shiba Inu, with its enormous user base and widespread popularity, consistently ranks high. But what do the professionals think? There is a bewildering array of price prediction sites. According to Changelly, Shiba Inu might reach 4,023 by December, which would result in a 100% increase from where it is now. If the current upward trend in price for Coin Codex persists, it can reach a high of $4,032. The conservative wallet investor is still projecting that Shiba Inu would reach 418 by the end of the year. During a bull market, the potential gains from Shiba Inu are difficult to overlook, even for the most pessimistic of experts. Community also has a significant role. An army of dedicated keepers, builders, and promoters has always been Shiba Inu's strongest suit. The fire is being fueled with every new feature, burn event, meme, and tweet. A rally's momentum can be unstoppable when the community gets behind it. Consider the recent explosion of active addresses, which increased by 54% in only 1 week. The more people that utilize it, the higher the demand, and the higher the price will be. Now though, let's not pretend for a second. Trading cryptocurrency, especially meme coins, is fraught with peril. There are many more accounts of failed highs and unexpected lows for every narrative of a $500 investment growing into $1,300. With a huge supply and a price that has dropped from its all-time high, Shiba Inu is a difficult commodity to trade. The number of tokens in circulation remains in the hundreds of trillions, even after severe burns. For the price to treble or quadruple in a matter of months, a great deal must be in order. So what are the most important factors that could trigger its occurrence? First things first, monitor the rate of burn. A considerably quicker reduction in supplies is possible if the development team implements the alleged automatic perpetual fires. Be on the lookout for major alliances and stock market debuts. Secondly, a ShipHub super app, interaction with major DeFi and NFT systems, and real-world payments are all hinted to in the leaked roadmap. Many more consumers might enter the market as a result of any of these. Thirdly, keep an eye on the whales. A positive indicator that the smart money anticipates a move is when major holdings continue to accumulate. Also remember that hype can be very effective. The story is paramount in crypto. The idea that $500 has the potential to grow into $1,300 might become a self-fulfilling prophecy if the community manages to generate enough enthusiasm for it. The song continues until there are no more purchasers because higher prices entice even more buyers. The dangers are obvious. The rally might be halted by an unexpected drop in Bitcoin value, a shock from regulators, or an unsuccessful upgrade. Just like any other meme coin, Shiba Inu's value can rise and fall dramatically. The potential benefits, however, are substantial for individuals prepared to assume the risk. According to one analyst, being correct once in crypto can completely transform your life. If you're considering placing a wager on Shiba Inu, what steps should you take? Carry out independent research first. Stay away from the herd mentality. Peruse the data stored on the blockchain. Make sure you read the roadmap and are aware of the risks. Second, only put money into the market that you are willing to lose. Meme coins are thrilling because of their rapid swings, but they may also quickly deplete your earnings. Thirdly, maintain your level of community engagement. Those that keep their eyes peeled, rather than passively waiting for something to happen, usually end up with the best prospects. In the next months, individuals who have already invested may experience a roller coaster ride. There are all the necessary components for a rally: violent fires, a buildup of whales, an expanding ecosystem, and a community prepared to flee. The possibility of $500 becoming $1,300 is not theoretical if the market becomes optimistic and the development team fulfills its commitments. It's not out of the question. The ride itself is exciting, regardless of whether the price doesn't increase thrice in a single day. A woman's Inu is worth more than $1. A tale that is ongoing, a community that is growing, and a movement all rolled into one. You won't be bored, whether you're in it for the memes, the tech, or the potential at amazing ROI. So at year's end, will $500 have grown into $1,300? The community, developers, whales, and the market will choose the answer. On the other hand, with crypto, anything goes. And with Shiba Inu, a major turn may be on the horizon. Leave your guesses in the space provided. Is a Shiba Inu rally your bet, or are you holding out for a more favorable entry point? Click the like button if you're still with us, and subscribe to get all the news as it happens. I am Wealthy Coins, and I am leaving you now. Be cautious, keep yourself informed, and of course to the move.